Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept reserved for research labs or tech giants. It has become a transformative force that touches nearly every profession, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing, education, and creative industries. For working professionals, AI is not just a tool, it is an enabler of smarter decisions, higher efficiency, and innovation at scale. Understanding AI's potential is essential to remain competitive in today's rapidly evolving job market. Artificial intelligence delivers value to professionals in three powerful ways. First, automating repetitive tasks. Routine time-consuming activities can now be delegated to AI-powered systems. For example, HR teams can use AI to screen resumes, accountants can process invoices automatically, and customer service teams can provide 24/7 support through AI chatbots. Second, enhancing decision making. AI provides data-driven insights that reduce guesswork and improve accuracy. Doctors can rely on AI-assisted diagnostic tools, financial analysts can predict market trends more precisely, and engineers can speed up product design using AI simulations. And third, unlocking innovation. AI enables the creation of new possibilities, products, and services. Designers can generate concept art with AI, marketers can personalize campaigns with AI-driven analytics, and researchers can accelerate discoveries with AI-assisted analysis. In short, AI is not just about efficiency. It is about smarter decisions, faster growth, and unlocking creativity at scale. One of the most powerful aspects of artificial intelligence is its domain agnostic nature. In simple terms, AI strength lies in its ability to learn patterns from data, no matter which industry it comes from. For example, in healthcare, AI can analyze medical scans. In retail, it can study customer purchase histories. In manufacturing, it can detect patterns in machine vibration logs. And in education, it can track student performance metrics. The same core principles of AI, learning from data, finding patterns, and making predictions, apply everywhere. That's why AI is not limited to one profession or one sector. It is truly universal. Ignoring artificial intelligence is no longer an option for professionals. Those who fail to adapt risk falling behind peers who are already leveraging AI tools. They may lose efficiency, lose competitiveness, and even miss out on opportunity for innovation. In contrast, professionals who embrace AI gain a strong advantage. They build career resilience in a tech-driven world. They learn how to collaborate effectively with AI systems, and they open doors to lead transformation projects in their fields. Simply put, AI will not replace professionals, but professionals who use AI will replace those who don't. Let us look at some real world case studies of AI across different domains. In healthcare, AI-assisted radiology helps doctors deliver faster and more accurate diagnosis. In finance, AI-powered fraud detection systems reduce financial losses by identifying suspicious activity in real time. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance powered by AI lowers downtime cost by detecting machine issues before they become failures. In marketing, AI enables smarter customer segmentation, which leads to higher campaign return on investment. In education, personalized learning platforms adapt to each student's progress, creating better engagement and outcomes. And in law, AI speed up document analysis, allowing legal professionals to prepare cases more efficiently. These examples show that AI is not limited to one industry. It is transforming every profession it touches. Here are the key takeaways for professionals when it comes to artificial intelligence. First, AI is a skill amplifier. It doesn't replace you, it enhances your abilities. Second, AI literacy is now a core competency, just like digital literacy was essential 20 years ago. AI literacy is a must-have skill today. And third, AI does not create users, it creates leaders. Those who truly understand AI will be the ones shaping how it is applied in their field. What is the bottom line? AI is not just the future, it is your competitive advantage today.